What's up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning back in with your girl Sunny C. If this is your first time viewing, thank you for stopping in. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. As you can tell by the title, we are doing a review on All Starry Nails from Amazon. Now, this is the nail kit. It comes with some nail adhesives. It comes with 2 tubes of glue. It comes with some cuticle pushers, and it also comes with the wet and dry wipes. And then it also comes with 4 sets of different color scheme nails. I chose like a berry kind of series they had going on. As you can see, I'm now starting off with the cuticle pusher. It does have 2 ends to it. I didn't have any like dead skin on my cuticles because I really do take care of them. Well, I try to at least. So I'm just pushing back whatever I have at the bottom. This part you don't have to go like super heavy on. Now, this part does take a lot of practice, y'all. It is plenty of videos out on YouTube and the YouTube atmosphere on how to perfect this part of your nails. I'm just doing this really quick tutorial just to show y'all how to do press on nails. This part really helps with making your nails look as natural as possible, like you just came from the salon, you know what I'm saying? Some nails I gotta do the sides as well because I be having like a little skin there. So I just like push it back just so the nail again can look as natural as possible once I place it on. Okay, and as I stated before, it does come with 1 wet and 1 dry wipe. It comes with 2 sets of these in the kit. So first you want to start off with the number 1, which is the wet wipe. And what I'm going to do is basically wipe off any excess oils that I might have on my nails, just so I can have that nice, smooth, flawless base, just to make everything, you know, more better. Then, of course, I'm going in with wipe number 2, which is the dry wipe, just wiping off any excess moisture that I might have on my nails. Another step I like to do is using the file that also comes with the kit. I use the rough side to file down the oils in my nails. I hope that makes sense to y'all, but basically to get rid of some of that shine, so once I put the nail adhesives on, they can have something to stick to. And I just want to let y'all know, you don't have to go really crazy with this part. You just want to get rid of that shine on your nail. So once you look at your nail, this should look like nice and rough and not nice and shiny, if that makes sense. Okay, now it's time for the nail adhesive. This is what comes with the kit. It comes with 2 pages of these, so it's definitely like plenty to go around. And this is how it looks. I'm just trying to get a nice little, you know, focus in on it. It does come with like a tab. The tabs make it so much easier to apply the adhesive. Like, y'all see what I'm talking about once I apply it. Also, another thing with the nail adhesives, you want to make sure you apply it like right on the nail, like directly on the nail. So find the adhesive closest to your nail size and then apply it like so. Now, I learned, like, I'll show you all later on in the video, but I learned you really have to like take your time with this part of it and really make sure that it's directly on your nail, because it will seep through. And I'll show you again what I mean later on in the video. Like, you see how I have it a little cricket here? Yeah, that's gonna be a problem later on in the video. This is how the nail adhesive is supposed to look after you're done with it. You can't really tell in the video. I'm sorry, you guys. My camera was like acting crazy, but here I am. I have the nail glue that comes with the kit. It's 2 of these that come, but I bought some extras just to have on the side from Amazon. But these work perfectly fine, and they're like easier to carry around as well. Y'all, please don't be like me and forget to open the nail glue, because I look the damn fool. I'm like, why is it not coming out? And I learned that I did not even cut the tip off yet, so duh. Anyways, So here I am, just cutting the tip off. I did cut it diagonally just so it'll be easier to, you know, disperse out, so like a lot won't come out at a time, but just enough will come out, because I don't want to flood the whole nail with glue. I just want enough glue to be on the nail to stick, you know? And as you can see, again, I'm not flooding the whole nail with glue. I'm just doing the bottom of the nail where my actual nail was going to be, just to make sure it sticks properly. And here I'm just holding the nail against the against my real nail in the adhesive as well, and I hold it for like a good 20-30 seconds. I mean, you can hold it longer, but I mean, I was in a rush, so I'm like, okay, it looks cute as long as it's giving what it's supposed to give. And as you could tell, see, when you push the cuticle down, it really makes the nail look like it's natural and it's actually coming from like your hand itself, so that's a plus. Yeah, so that's why I say really take your time when you're doing your cuticles, just to make sure you get that nice flawless finish. So here I am going to show you the nail adhesive, then how you apply them once more. Here I'm just showing you, this is like a better view kind of how they look, and one side is sticky and the sticky side will go onto your nail. So make sure the sticky side is going onto your nail, and what you want to do is make sure it's firmly down. Make sure all the adhesive is down by just holding it like for a good 20 seconds. And then another thing with the nail adhesives, sometimes when you pull the tab, all of it like comes up, like even that, like the sticky part comes up. So what you want to do is make sure you have it really like down firmly, and then you could try to pick it up from like the other corner as well. You don't have to, you know, pick it up from the tab. And here I am just applying some more nail glue to my nail because I'm about to apply it. Once again, y'all, you do not need a whole bunch of nail glue. Like literally with this nail glue, it little goes a long way. And again, these tubes come with 2 in a pack, so that's awesome. You don't need to buy like additional unless you want to, like me, but I found out you really didn't need it. So here's the finished look after I was done doing my left hand, and let me tell y'all, it was giving everything it was supposed to give. Like I really love these nails because they're thick to where it looks like you went to the salon, but they're not like too thick, and then they're easy to clip. And y'all, when I say so easy, I mean so easy to file down. Like I was literally in love with the finished product. Like it was just giving everything, and they have so many different styles y'all can choose from. Again, I'll have the links below. Like they have so many different color schemes, and you can choose glossy nails or matte, whatever you want. Like it's literally like endless with the different nails you can do. Now this is what I was saying about the adhesive. You want to make sure the adhesive is directly on your nails. If it's not, it's gonna, you know, seep through the bottom, as you could tell from the last one. So here's my nails after I clipped the extra adhesive off from the bottoms of them. I did add some cuticle oil, and this is the finished product. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you all in the next one.